Hello students, welcome to Meetu Maths classes. Today's topic is from class 12 mathematics, your chapter 11, that is three-dimensional geometry, and we are going to solve some important questions of miscellaneous exercise today. So let us start with our first question, that is question number 5 of miscellaneous exercise. If the coordinates of the point A, B, C, D, B, you are given the coordinates of A, this is the coordinate of A, these are the coordinates of B, these are the coordinates of C, and these are for D respectively. Then find the angle between the lines AB and CD. Now first of all, we know that if we are given A and B, let A is 1, 2, 3 and B is 4, 5, 7. If we are given the coordinates of 2 points on a line, so we can find out the direction ratios of this line. Let the direction ratios are A1, B1, C1. So A1 is the difference of x coordinates, that is 4 minus 1. B1 is 5 minus 2 and C1 is 7 minus 3. So A1 is 3, B1 is 3 and C1 is 4. So now we know the direction ratios of line AB. Similarly, the direction ratios of line CD, let C and D is another line with coordinates of C is minus 4, 3, minus 6 and coordinates of D are 2, 9, 2. So the direction ratios, let the direction ratios of line CD are A2, B2 and C2. So A2 is difference of x coordinates, that is 2 minus 4. B2 is 9 minus 3 and C2 is 2 minus 6. So A2 is 6, B2 is 6 and C2 is 8. So we know the direction ratios of these two lines, line AB and line CD, and we are interested in finding the angle between the two lines. Now we know the angle between two lines. Let the angle between two lines are AB and CD are theta. And now the direction ratios of AB are A1, B1, C1 and direction ratios of CD are A2, B2 and C2. So the angle between two lines का फॉर्मूला आपका क्या होता है? कोसाइन थीटा इज मॉडुलस ऑफ A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 divided by modulus of magnitude of A1 B1 square plus C1 square and A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. This is the formula for finding out the angle between two lines. Now we know that A1 is 3 into 6 plus 3 into 6 plus 4 into 8 divided by square root of 3 का square plus 3 का square plus 4 का square root of 6 square plus 6 square plus 8 square, and that is equals to 18 plus 18 plus 32 divided by square root of 9 plus 9 plus 16 and square root of 36 plus 36 plus 64, and this is equals to 68 divided by square root of, this is 34, square root of 34, and this is square root of 136. Okay. Now this will give you 68 root 34, and the factors for 136 is 4, 2 can be taken out, 2 root 34, okay, and root 34 into root 34 will become 34, and 34 2s are 68. Now 2 will cancel out and we will get, now cosine of theta is equals to 1 will give you that theta is equals to 0 degrees. Okay, so the angle between the two lines AB and CD is 0 degrees. Now your next question is question number 6. If the lines x minus 1 upon minus 3 is equals to y minus 2 upon 2k is equals to z minus 3 upon 2, and x minus 1 upon 3k is equals to y minus 1 upon 1 is equals to z minus 6 upon minus 5. You are given two lines and you are given that these two lines are perpendicular. You have to find the value of k. Now we know that the two values, we know that in a line x minus x1 upon a is equals to y minus y1 upon b is equals to z minus z1 upon c. इस लाइन के अंदर this line passes through x1 y1 z1 and has direction ratios ABC. Okay, तो आप अब अपनी फर्स्ट लाइन, लेट दिस बी योर लाइन 1. Your line 1 is x minus 1 upon minus 3, y minus 2 upon 2k, and z minus 3 upon 2. Now comparing it with the equation of a line, we will get the direction ratios of L1. Let us say that direction ratios of L1 are A1, B1, C1. So this will be minus 3, 2k and 2. Similarly, let us consider line 2, that is x minus 1 upon 3k is equals to y minus 1 upon 1 is equals to z minus 6 upon minus 5. Now the direction ratios of line 2 will be, let us suppose A2, B2, C2. So that will be equals to 3k, 1 and minus 5. Now we know that the two lines are perpendicular if and only if the multiplication of their direction ratios, अगर आपके direction ratios दोनों lines की given है, then the line 1 and line 2 are perpendicular if and only if A1 into A2 plus B1 into B2 plus C1 into C2 must be equals to 0. Now, so we know these are our A1, B1, C1, and these are the direction ratios of another line. And we are given that the two lines are perpendicular. That will implies, given that L1 is perpendicular to L2, that will implies that minus 3 into 3k plus 2k into 1 plus 2 into minus 5 must be equals to 0. So this will implies minus 9k plus 2k minus 10 is equals to 0. And minus 7k minus 10 is equals to 0. It will imply that k is equals to minus 10 by 7. And this is the required value of k. Your next question is question number 7. Find the vector equation of a line that passes through 1, 2, 3 and perpendicular to this plane. So first of all, you are given a plane, okay, and your required line is perpendicular to that the required line is line L1 and this is plane P1. Your plane P1 is R dot I plus 2j minus 5k plus 9 is equals to 0. And your required line, you have to find the vector equation of L1 which is perpendicular to this plane. Now from the plane we can find out a normal vector to the plane. तो plane की equation के लिए in the equation of a plane, अगर आपकी plane की equation r dot n is equals to d, in this plane n is a vector normal to the plane. Okay, तो आप अपने इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन को दैट इज गिवन, यू आर गिवन द इक्वेशन ऑफ अ प्लेन r डॉट n. सपोज दिस इज n, तो आप इस फॉर्म में लेके आने के लिए यू कैन टेक दिस कांस्टेंट टू द राइट हैंड साइड, बट नाउ दिस कांस्टेंट इज द डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम ऑरिजिन दैट कैन नॉट बी नेगेटिव. तो आप इस माइनस को यहाँ पर शिफ्ट करेंगे एंड इट विल बिकम माइनस आई minus 2j and plus 5k is equals to 9. So this will become a normal vector to the plane. So a normal vector to the plane is minus I minus 2j and plus 5k. Now this normal vector, your required line is parallel to this normal vector. Okay, and you are given that the vector line is passing through 1 2 3. So let the line is passing through A with position vector A, that is I plus 2j plus 3k. ठीक है, तो आपकी इक्वेशन ऑफ अ लाइन passing through a vector, a point with position vector A and parallel to B vector is R is equals to A plus lambda B. तो आपको आपकी इक्वेशन ऑफ रिक्वायर्ड लाइन passing through A, that is I plus 2j plus 3k, and parallel to your n vector, that is minus I minus 2j plus 5k is R is equals to A, that is I plus 2j plus 3k plus lambda times minus I minus 2j plus 5k, and this is the required vector equation of a line passing through the point 1 2 3 and perpendicular to the plane. Now the next question is find the equation of a plane. Okay, you have to find the equation of a plane passing through a point A with coordinates ABC and parallel to the plane, and this plane is parallel to a plane, this R dot I plus j plus k is equals to 2. आपको पता है these two planes, plane 1 and plane 2 are parallel. तो जब आपके प्लेन्स पैरेलल हैं तो दोनों पर जो परपेंडिकुलर जो नॉर्मल वेक्टर्स हैं, दोनों प्लेन के नॉर्मल वेक्टर्स हैं वो भी परपेंडिकुलर होंगे. सपोज n is the vector, normal vector of this plane, ये आपका जो प्लेन है दैट इज इन द फॉर्म r डॉट n इज इक्वल्स टू d. सो द नॉर्मल वेक्टर, लेट दिस नॉर्मल वेक्टर इज i प्लस j प्लस k. क्योंकि आपके दोनों प्लेन्स पैरेलल हैं तो इनके नॉर्मल वेक्टर्स भी पैरेलल हैं. लेट n इज द नॉर्मल वेक्टर ऑफ दिस, तो ये भी आपका i प्लस j प्लस k ही होगा. ओके, तो द डायरेक्शन, अब आपको इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन निकालनी है. वी नो दैट द इक्वेशन ऑफ अ प्लेन passing through a point ABC and, or we can say that passing through a point x1 y1 z1 and direction ratios of normal are ABC is a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 is equals to 0. अगर आपको ABC are the direction ratios of normal to the plane and x1 y1 z1 is a point from which your plane is passing through and we are given both things. So the direction ratios of normal are 1 1 1 and the plane is passing through ABC. So the equation of required plane is आपका ABC direction ratios of normal are 1 1 1 and the plane is passing through ABC and direction ratios of normal are 1 1 1. So your equation of required plane is x plus y plus z is equals to a plus b plus c, and this is the equation of required plane. So students, if you liked my videos, please मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ साथ बेल आइकॉन प्रेस कर दें जिससे आप मेरे हर अपकमिंग वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच पाए और आप उसका बेनिफिट ले पाएं. सो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माय वीडियोस. हैव अ नाइस डे. गुड बाय.